Welcome to a demo of Oracle Data Visualization. Data visualization is one of the technologies available on Oracle's Cloud Analytics platform. Data visualization is used to easily create visualizations and projects that reveal trends in your company's data and help you answer questions and discover important insights about your business. With Oracle Data Visualization, you can automatically visualize data as you drag and drop attributes, chart, and graphs, change layouts to present new insights, answer questions quickly with online search and guided navigation, and empower everyone in your organization to uncover the value in the data. You can start using data visualization for free using our on-premise desktop version. The link can be found here. If you want to start using our data visualization on cloud, we offer a free trial as well. We will now begin the demo. Click the button at the top of the screen to access the drop-down menu. This is the home page. We access the home page by clicking here. Click here to access your projects. Before you start a project, you must select a data source. Here, we have selected a spreadsheet file. We will now add it to our project by clicking the Add to Project button. You can edit your data at any time by selecting the Prepare button at the top of the screen. This is the data from the spreadsheet we added earlier. You can edit any of the attributes by clicking on them. As you can see, we have many options to choose from. For now, we will just select Properties and then Attribute. We have the option of declaring the field as a measure or an attribute. My data is set correctly, however, so we have no need to change it. This is the visualization page. To start making our visualization, we select the Visualization button at the bottom of the list. Here, we see a list of visualizations to select from. We will scroll down and find the visualization called Map, and then drag it onto the canvas. Notice that the screen is asking us to drag data elements here. In order to access the data elements, we go back to the toolbar on the left-hand side and select the book icon. Once selected, you will see a drop-down menu that lists all of the table attributes from the spreadsheet we imported. We're going to start inserting this data into our map visualization. To begin, we will select Terror Group and then drag it onto the canvas. In order to plot out our map visualization, we must insert both latitude and longitude. Oracle Data Visualization will automatically plot out coordinates on a map if it is given the latitude and longitude attributes. You can create calculations for your visualizations by selecting My Calculations and then Add Calculation. This is the calculation dialog window. We are going to add a calculation, and we are going to have this calculation sum up all of the victims killed in these terrorist attacks. We will name this calculation Total Victims Killed and then select Save. Now we will take our new calculation and insert it into our map. Notice that we dragged our calculation into a field called Size. This is an example of a value-based change to a visualization. In this example, the size of the bubbles on the map will be impacted by the number of victims killed in a terrorist attack. Note that there are other options to choose from. Here, you can see that the bubble sizes have been changed accordingly. To change the appearance of the map, select the icon on the far right. Then, select Properties. This is the window that will be displayed. To access your map-related options, click on the icon at the top right. We will now change the background theme by clicking here. Select Oracle Maps from the list shown. We will now discuss filtering. You can add filters for a single specific visualization here. If you want to apply a filter to multiple visualizations, or dynamically change filters, use the top bar here. We will now add our calculation to a filter. On this tab, we can dynamically adjust the filter parameters. Notice how the map has been dynamically changed. You can easily delete a filter by selecting Delete. If you want to add another data source, select the icon at the top of the toolbar. You can add another data source by selecting Add Data Source. If you were to select that option, you would see this page. This is the dialog window for creating new connections. Oracle Data Visualization allows you to combine data sources together automatically. Say you imported data from both an Oracle database and a MongoDB database. If there are any relational similarities between the two datasets, then Oracle Data Visualization will establish a connection between them automatically. You can also set up connections manually if you wish. Once a connection has been established, you can use the data from both sources in your visualizations. Now, we are going to add an additional visualization to the canvas, specifically a table visualization. You can place a visualization next to another visualization by dragging it to the borderline. The indicator will be represented as a blue bar. Select Terror Group and drag it into the table visualization. Next, select Weapon Type and drag it into the table visualization. Notice how the table visualization automatically added a column to the table with a simple click and drag. You can change column placement by switching the position of the attributes in the toolbar. You can even set a visualization to act as a filter for another visualization. We will now demonstrate this. First, click the icon on the right, and then click the checkbox called Use as Filter. The blue icon on the top left is the indicator that the visualization is being used as a filter. Watch what happens when we select a field on the table visualization. Notice that the map has changed. Instead of showing us the activity of all terrorist groups, the map now displays only the activity of the terrorist group we selected. Once you are finished with your canvas, you can rename it by going to the bottom of the screen. Select the check mark to confirm your name. To save your data visualization project, select the icon at the top of the screen and press Save. This is where you save your visualization. Enter the name of your project and click OK. To conclude this demo, we will go back to the home screen. This concludes the demo. Thank you for watching. For more information, access Oracle's official documentation page here. You can also consult Oracle's main website.